Hello friends, welcome to JavaScript tutorial. In this tutorial, we will study about the operator. First, what is an operator? Simple answer can be given using expression 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Here 4 and 5 are called operands and plus is called operator. JavaScript language supports following types of operators: arithmetic operators, comparison operator, logical or relational operator, assignment operator, and conditional operator. Here first, arithmetic operator. These are following arithmetic operators supported by JavaScript language. Plus, which is used to add two operands. Minus, which is used to subtract second operand from the one. This is multiplication signature for multiply both operands. This is used for divide. This is used for modules operator. This is used for increment of variable, and this is used for decrement any operand. Here additional operator works for numeric as well as string also. Here we can add string with numeric and answer will be 8n. Next, the comparison operator. These are the following comparison operators supported by JavaScript language. Double is equal to. It checks if the value of two operands are equal or not. If yes, then condition becomes true. Not equal to. It checks if the value of two operands are equal or not. If the values are not equal, then condition becomes true. Greater than. It checks if the value of left operand is greater than the value of right operand. If yes, then condition becomes true. Less than. It checks if the value of left operand is less than the value of right operand. Then condition becomes true. Next, greater than equal to. It checks if the value of left operand is greater than or equal to the value of right operand. Then condition becomes true. Same way, less than equal to. It checks if the value of left operand is less than or equal to the value of right operand. Then condition becomes true. This all comparison operator will be used in control statement. Next, logical operator. These are the following logical operator supported by JavaScript language. Here this is 2 times ampersand, which is called logical AND operator. If both the operand A and B are non-zero, only then condition becomes true. This is logical OR sign. If any of two operand is non-zero, then condition becomes true. This is logical NOT operator, which is used to reverse the logical state of its operand. If a condition is true, then logical NOT operator will make it false. Next, the assignment operator, which is used to assign values from right side operand to left side operand. Next, the conditional operator. There is an operator called conditional operator. The first evaluates an expression for a true or false value and then execute one of the two given statement depending upon the result of the evaluation. We will learn this through examples so it will clear your idea. Here simple, we have variable A which has value 15, B has value 14. Here C1 equal to A plus B, it means here additional operator. Here we used subtraction operator, here we used multiplication operator, then division operator, then modulus operator for remainder. Then here we used incremental operator 2 times plus plus. Here we used decremental operator 2 times minus. Then this is our string, two string here, and we have used additional operator for the string. And here we have used additional operator for string and numeric value. Now here our main point is conditional operator. This is comparison between A and B. It means if A greater than B, then conditional operator will return A variable value, else it will return B variable value. It means if this expression is true, then first operand will display, else second operand will display, and results store in our variable h. Let's take a look at the output. This is our output. A is 15, B is 14. If we take addition, then answer will be 29. For subtraction, it's 1. For modulation, this is for division. This is for remainder. Here increment of A. Earlier we have A's value is 15. Then we have used incremental operator. Then it becomes 16. Same way B has now value of 13. Same way we have used decremental operator. So B value become 13. This is the addition of two strings, and this is the addition of string and numerical. And here this is our conditional operator.